Hi everyone, my name is Lori Mahan. I have been a teacher for the last 18 years and I live and work in New Jersey. Specifically, I work in a town called Little Egg Harbor. I am a fourth grade teacher currently. I am actually a special ed teacher, but I work in an in-class support setting. So in my room, I have both general ed and special ed students. I've been doing that for a while. I am also the lead teacher of technology there, which just basically means that I go into classrooms and help teachers utilize their technology in the best way that they can. And I do some PD presentations as well. I have really grown to love using technology in my classroom. Right now, I hold a Google Level 2 certification, and my personal goal is maybe to become a Google trainer. I think that technology is such a great way to help my students to learn better, to really utilize something that's been there their whole lives. And on top of that, it's also something that I can do to help my coworkers make their lives easier and figure out ways to engage all of their students. I started this program because I hope to gain a better way just to integrate technology. I've always had a classroom set of iPads or Chromebooks, and I was very tired of using them for just, okay, you have 10 minutes free time, go jump on that. I wanted to find a way to really use it as a tool that would help them to learn, and I do feel like this has really helped me to accomplish that. Another thing that I do with technology in my classroom quite a bit, well, obviously we all use technology now that we've been home for the pandemic, but we've almost become paperless in our classroom and we use it for assessments and nearly everything. My biggest challenge would probably be the time that it can take to create things. It can take quite a while to develop these online fun, engaging activities for your students. And sometimes you find a website that you just love, but the cost is too high to subscribe. So that's a challenge. And as far as I have found sometimes it's difficult to get other teachers or parents to buy into the use of technology, especially sometimes now the parents feel like they're spending too much time on the screen. We don't want to give them any more. So those are my challenges. Sorry. As far as the future, my goal is always to grow and become the best teacher I can be. So I always want to continue learning, and I hope to continue helping others. There is a technology coach in our school, and at some point I am hoping that I can move into a position like that so that I can full-time spend my time helping other teachers really utilize the technology, not just the district programs that are provided, but the free programs that are out there and the many ways that we can use technology to engage and grow with our students. Thank you for listening.